Now, the good thing I've checked, again, these garlics, these ones, they look perfectly fine. Let's look at that. Morning guys, right, sorting out my garlic. This box here has got me elephant garlic in it. Some are decent sizes, some are not. So I'm going to pick out the best. For example, that one there, one there, not a big one. So you've got little pops, that I think they call them, and this one. I'm going to pick the best out of them. Some of them I've not even split, but yeah, they're in the same bed, so I'll figure that one out. And some are not as big. I actually think I may have got my garlic mixed up because it was in that little blow away greenhouse thing and it blew over, so that's it, goes on. I've also got all of the garlic, I don't need all that. So let's have a look at some of the size of these. It's roughly the size I want. So I'm not going to go mad this year with a load of garlic like I did last year. Waste of time. See that one? Rotted away. That one's only small, but it's elephant garlic, so that one's a good size as well. And those two. So you've got 4 decent ones up to now. Let's get this other one broken up. That one's a good size as well. That one. Not too big. I'm going to plant these at home because people who follow me for a while, you've probably seen how bad the allotment gets in winter and it floods. I don't want these rotting, so I'm going to plant them in the beds outside. I've already prepped the beds and I'll show you those in a bit. So I've got what, 2, 4, 6, I've got 8 elephant garlic. And I've still got 2 decent size bulbs. Those are the little pops, something they call, they're grown. Small one. They can be used for cooking. I think these are pretty small here as well. Yeah, they're pretty small. So once again, I'll keep them for cooking. Yeah, the rest of these can be used for cooking. They're the biggest ones. They're going to be planted out. So, that's the elephant garlic. Missus is going to kill me. Dust and wood and work. And like I said, I've still got loads in here. I'm going to go through these because if you've got like a pinkish colour to them, they will be me Providence white. That one isn't an elephant garlic, that one's me Providence white, and like I said, the thing blew over. So I'll go through them and come back to the bit. Welcome back. Sorry about getting cut short yesterday, I had to nip out. Right, elephant garlic, what we've seen yesterday, they are a brown colour. And the Providence white, they are just like a normal white colour. I can tell this one's a Providence white because you just might be able to tell it's got like a purple tinge to the skin. And some of these bigger ones, like this one for example, this is the Lidl. I started off with Lidl not last year but the year before and grown them, and the biggest ones I replanted them and we now got bulbs this size. All I'm going to do is I'm going to go through these. It doesn't matter whether the Lidl or a Providence white. At the end of the day, the garlic, and it's going to go into here, ready to plant them up. So all I'm going to do really is I'm just going to separate them and get the biggest cloves that I can, and check just for damage. For example, that's perfect size. And the bigger ones I'm going to plant on, the small ones I'm just going to pot with the rest of them, which I've got a box full over there, and they will be going into the ground. For example, this one here, so it's starting to grow, so it proves which way it grows. Square bit at the bottom in the ground, obviously that's going to be the top. So I'm going to go through these and pick the biggest out of them all and then plant them on. Because I've got some decent sized ones there this year, so it does prove you can keep your own. Now let me go through these. I don't think you want to watch me go through all these bulbs and get them all out. For example, I'm splitting these apart, and I thought one of the bigger bulbs was normal white garlic, but it wasn't. It was elephant garlic, but only got 3 in it, and they're pretty big bulbs. Cloves, sorry. Besides that one, so them 2 can go on the big pile here. So let's carry on with these, and if I find any more, I'll come back to you. Right, sorted out these. So these are the biggest cloves, so it's not too bad. On average, they're about that size. I've got a load here that I've gone through, they're all clean, and these can be planted out as well. There's a few small ones in here, but I just won't put them in the ground when I'm going through them. So all in all, I have a lot of garlic that I've gone through. But I've also got some that just a bulb didn't split for some reason, so they're going to go back in. I've decided these 3 elephant garlics, they can go in as well. So there's just a little baby garlic. Let me show you how much garlic I've got left. You see inside this box, and all that is full. And there's still some decent sized ones in there as well. So I've got all that lot. So what I might do with that is maybe split them apart, and might make like a pickled garlic. But look at the mess in here now. So not exactly the best idea to do this in the kitchen. They're my mistakes. So I will just get rid of all this, and I'll just put it onto my compost bin at home. There's a couple of cloves in there that are a bit dodgy, so they can just go in the compost bin. I'm going to sell the compost bin out, and I'll just have them volunteer potatoes in there. There you go. Box of waste. Nice thing is, I'm going to have to get them into the ground, and I need to make some labels so I remember where they are. So that might be another video. Now it's a good thing I checked again these garlics, these ones. They look perfectly fine. So you got that. That's rotten, but it's still hard, it's not gone soft, which is very odd. Do a bin it, or do a see if it grows. Right, that's all for this one. Thanks for watching, give us a thumbs up or thumbs down, it all helps with the algorithm of YouTube. If you'd like to, you can like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.